What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, we're going to be taking you into another side hustle series video where we basically like to give you guys ideas on different side hustles that maybe you want to try out. Today, specifically, we're going to be talking about how you can make money, potentially, by flipping books on eBay and Amazon. Now, this side hustle actually used to be a lot more popular, and it's kind of become oversaturated over the years. However, from our little research, we think there's still some money to be made out here with it. Guys, before we get into this video, make sure you guys go down and subscribe to see more content like this. Did you guys know that public libraries often have book sales where they're selling large quantities of books for pretty cheap prices? They're basically getting rid of a lot of their books. There's some libraries and bookstores that won't even sell by the book. When they're really wanting to get rid of things, they'll literally sell books by the pound or by the bag. They'll say, we'll sell you a pound of books for $1, and you can basically just scalp that and maybe resell them. So guys, how do you resell anything on eBay and Amazon? How do you even turn a profit? How do you make sure that you have a good chance at turning a profit? Guys, this goes beyond books, so open your ears for this one. Here's the key. Go into the store that you're gonna buy anything from, whether it be books or whatever, and have the app out. Have your Amazon app out or your eBay app out. And on both of those apps, there's a scanner where you go up to a product, in this case a book, and you scan the barcode on it. And it basically brings you up to what they're selling for on that site. So if you go to a bookstore and you find a new book, let's say Charlie's Little Adventure, and you scan the book and it's selling on Amazon for $25 new, and then it's selling at the store for $10, there's potential profit to be made. Same with eBay. However, with eBay, you should be a little more careful because a lot of times people list things for way higher than what they can actually sell them for. So make sure to filter your search by sold and completed. Guys, also, when you go to these public library bookstores, just to be a decent human being, if that's any of your concern, maybe not buy all of the books, because then they'll kind of be onto you, and nobody really wants that, because, you know, share the wealth, share the books, because there's actually people who want to read these books, and you're just kind of there to make some money. It's not bad to buy a pound or two of books, but maybe not buy the whole store. Or maybe if you're, cutthroat. This is not the only way to find cheap books as well. There's also a site called booksalefinder.com that is like made for this kind of flipping. It basically directs you to find large quantities of books around you that are going for good deals that you can then sell. Here's the thing about book sales and making money by flipping books. There's kind of a bit of a gamble to it, right? Because you've probably been to the flea market and things like that, and books just sell a dime a dozen, right? There's a reason they sell books by the pound. It's because, paperback books, they're not as popular nowadays, and just books aren't that valuable, really. People don't really care about them. However, once in a while, well, actually very commonly, when you buy a pound of books, you're at least gonna find one book that'll sell for $10, and that'll make that pound worth it. And then you'll have all the scrapbooks ready if you want to sell those for like 10 cents a piece. Guys, to keep it simple, I would recommend that if you have a used book, eBay's your route, and if you have a new book, Amazon is your best way to sell the book. But how do you know at the end of the day that you're actually going to be making profit on these books or any item that you're going to resell? Well, it's very easy to find out because there's a site called finalfeecalc.com that literally takes into account eBay fees, shipping, cost, profit. It basically calculates everything for you when you put in the necessary information, and will tell you exactly how much profit you're gonna make on a purchase. Guys, that about wraps up this video. I really hope some of you guys end up actually trying this out. It's a kind of a cool way to make some extra money. So yeah, hopefully if you learned anything of value, you will go down, leave us a like, and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate that. Anyway, you guys, see you next time.